so let's go ahead and talk about this haul. Now, you can see that I had an impulse. No, it wasn't necessarily an impulse buy. I need milk for dinner, so I went on ahead and picked that up just because it was convenient, and I was already going to do this haul for this coupon trip. But we got $5 off of 25 because it's a Saturday, and that's the deal for Dollar General. We got the $3 off from purchasing $15 worth of Persil, so that's automatically $8 off of that total. Then we get into some of the individual coupons. There was the $1.50 off of the Persil, $1.50 off of the Suavitel, $2 off of the Mr. Clean, and 75 cents off of the Palmolive. So in total, my order beforehand was $34 and some change before taxes, and it come up to about $19 and some change before taxes after all of our savings. And I always stick to before taxes usually with these because it doesn't show me the taxes on the app, so you know you're going to pay taxes on everything, and you do pay taxes on the coupon percentages that comes off, or the coupon dollar amounts. But that's a very good savings. Very happy with it. You saw how fast I was in and out, less than 5 minutes. I think making this video out in the car to give you the breakdown of all of it takes more time than it actually did for me to shop that. And all I did, no pre-planning, this is not extreme. All I did was beforehand, I knew I needed to run and go grab milk. I also knew that I was needing to pick up some of my Persil. So I went on the app and went ahead and looked at some of the things that I love to buy from out of here on a Saturday and saw which ones had coupons on them. I attached those coupons, added it to my list, and I knew what I was going to save versus what I was going to spend today. So anyways, another really easy haul. I hope that helps you out. You guys, coupon if you're not, that, you know, that, I don't know, what is that? $15 that I saved today will get transferred right over into an investment account that I have, and this is just such an easy way for you to save money every month or every week and put it towards something. So that's what I do. And if you like this type of content, follow me for more. I love doing these breakdown hauls for you guys, and I would love to show you how to coupon because it made such an impact in our financial situation years and years ago when we really needed it to. And so I hope it can do the same thing for you.